I'm feeling stuck in this phase of my life, and I just can't seem to shake it off.
Have you ever tried journaling? It might sound a bit cliché, but it can actually be incredibly helpful.
Journaling? How so?
Well, let me tell you about my experience. In the final week of December, I dedicated approximately 36 hours to crafting a journal from scratch. Armed with supplies from my local stationery store and equipped with tools like an awl, book cloth, curved needles, and wax-lined thread, I embarked on this creative endeavor. The result of this collaboration with materials and my craftsmanship was a custom-made journal, poised to be my steadfast companion throughout the upcoming year. Its purpose? To aid me in planning, analyzing, contemplating, creating, and manifesting the life I aspire to. The tradition of journaling dates back to the 2nd century AD, with notable examples including the writings of Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius and the Diary of Mirror, which meticulously tracked limestone transportation for the construction of the Great Pyramids at Giza. Throughout history, luminaries such as Mahatma Gandhi, Beethoven, Marie Curie, Leonardo da Vinci, and Winston Churchill have all found solace and inspiration in the practice of journaling. Numerous studies, including research conducted by Pennsylvania State University, attest to the efficacy of journaling in enhancing mental well-being. It serves as a tool for gaining clarity of thought, reducing anxiety, facilitating goal achievement, boosting memory, and nurturing creativity. Personally, the practice of keeping a journal has been instrumental in realizing my aspirations and crafting the life of my dreams, a feat I once deemed unattainable. One common gripe about keeping a journal is that it often feels mundane, as if each day blends into the next with nothing noteworthy happening. However, a journal can offer much more than a mere recounting of daily events. Think of it as an empty vessel, waiting for you to fill it with the beverage of your choice, be it fine whiskey, coffee, chai, or plain water. In my journal, I encapsulate each day with a single sentence. The remainder of my entry is divided into 3 segments. Firstly, I jot down tasks that need tackling the next day. Secondly, I list things I am grateful for. Finally, I infuse the page with positive affirmations. The act of writing affirmations can stir feelings of positivity within our brains, which are receptive to the power of written words. Harness this potential to reprogram your mindset through journaling. Consider embellishing your entries with beautiful stickers for added visual appeal. Consistency in journaling hinges on commitment. Set a daily alarm on your phone, preferably at a time convenient for you. For me, it's just before bedtime. When the alarm sounds, take a moment to sit down and write. Journaling serves as a potent tool for self-reflection and self-discovery. The beauty lies in its simplicity. You don't need to invest countless hours like I did. Simply pick up any notebook and start writing. You'll be amazed at the transformative impact this seemingly modest habit can have on your life once you commit to it.
Maybe I'll give it a try. Thanks for the advice.
Anytime. Trust me, you won't regret it.